This is the luxury world. Get inspired with us today and tomorrow. In early 2025, the luxury watch market is feeling the effects of a recent price increase from Rolex, which has shifted pricing and availability dynamics. However, there are still some excellent options to consider for those seeking value in the gray market. In this guide, brought to you by the luxury world, we will explore 5 standout Rolex models that provide significant value compared to their retail counterparts, offering both affordability and exclusivity for discerning collectors and watch enthusiasts. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay updated with all our future content on luxury watches and more. Rolex GMT-Master 2 Sprite. The first model on this list is the GMT-Master 2 Sprite, a distinct piece that has been gaining attention for its under-the-radar pricing and unique design. Available with either an Oyster or Jubilee bracelet, the GMT-Master 2 Sprite has a market preference for the Jubilee version due to its comfortable and stylish design. In early 2025, the new retail price from Rolex for this model is £11,100, but it is still considered undervalued in comparison to other popular GMT-Master 2 variants like the Bad Girl and Bad Man. On the gray market, the Sprite is currently priced at around £14,000 for the Oyster bracelet version and just under £15,000 for the Jubilee version, making it a more affordable option than both the Bad Girl and the Batman models, which can be priced upwards of £4,000. Notably, the GMT-Master 2 Sprite is positioned slightly below the Pepsi and Bruce Wayne models, both of which are frequently sought after by collectors. This Sprite stands out as an interesting and different choice, with a green and black bezel that sets it apart from the more common color schemes of other GMT-Master 2 models. Given its unique design and current pricing, the GMT-Master 2 Sprite offers excellent value for collectors looking for a rare and distinct piece without paying a premium for more mainstream options. Rolex Yacht-Master 42, Precious Metal, Oysterflex. Next on the list is the Rolex Yacht-Master 42, available in 2 precious metal variants, yellow gold and white gold. The retail price for the yellow gold version is £28,000, while the white gold model retails at £29,000 as of 2025. On the gray market, however, buyers can acquire one of these models for as low as £25,000, representing a significant discount from the retail price. When compared to other high-end Rolex watches, such as those from the Day-Date and Datejust ranges, with the Oysterflex bracelet, the Yacht-Master 42 stands out as a fantastic value for money. Notably, the yellow gold version is less commonly seen on the market but tends to sell quickly once available, despite its higher initial price point. Meanwhile, the white gold variant remains relatively more accessible, though it still offers a similar luxury feel and quality as its yellow gold counterpart. Collectors looking for a luxury timepiece with a distinct design and high-quality craftsmanship at a more affordable price than other precious metal Rolex models should consider the Yacht-Master 42. Whether opting for the yellow gold or white gold model, this watch offers an appealing balance of exclusivity, value, and functionality. Rolex Submariner Date, Steel and Yellow Gold, 41mm. The third entry on this list is the Rolex Submariner Date in the steel and yellow gold configuration, which comes in 2 versions, a black dial with a black bezel and the iconic Blue Z with a blue dial and blue bezel. This model is renowned for its classic design and exceptional versatility, making it a popular choice among Rolex enthusiasts. In early 2025, the retail price for the Submariner Date has increased to just under £15,000, up by £750 compared to its previous retail value. Despite this price increase, the steel and yellow gold Submariner Date remains a highly sought-after model that offers strong value on the gray market. The black dial version typically retails for around £12,000 to £13,000, while the more popular Blue Z version commands a price of around £14,000 to £14,250. Interestingly, even pre-owned models that are just 1 or 2 years old can be found for around £1,500 less than their new counterparts. The iconic Submariner, with its legendary diving heritage, robust construction, and timeless design, remains a cornerstone of the brand and a top contender for any discerning collector. Its unparalleled brand recognition and consistent appreciation in value make it a safe bet for both collectors and everyday wearers. Considering its iconic status, stunning aesthetic, and relatively accessible price point compared to other luxury watches in the market, the steel and yellow gold Submariner Date is a top pick for collectors looking for a timeless, versatile timepiece at a good value. Rolex Submariner Date, new model, 41mm. At number 2, we have another Submariner model, the 2025 iteration of the Submariner Date, which has been one of Rolex's best-selling models. Its classic design, robust build, and exceptional versatility have made it a staple in the luxury watch world. In early 2025, the retail price for this model has reached £9,100, following a price increase that brings it closer to the £10,000 mark. Despite this increase, the Submariner date remains highly coveted, and it continues to be an excellent option for buyers on the gray market. Even though it was already selling below retail before the price hike, it can still be acquired for slightly less than its new retail price in the secondary market. The fact that this model remains challenging to find at authorized Rolex dealers only adds to its allure and desirability. The Submariner date represents an exceptional value for money, offering a quintessential Rolex experience at a reasonable price point, making it one of the best options for 2025. Rolex Day Date, Oysterflex, various models. Finally, the top pick for early 2025 is the Rolex Day Date with an Oysterflex bracelet, available in several precious metals such as white gold, rose gold, and yellow gold. The date just epitomizes classic Rolex elegance. Its versatility shines through with a wide array of dial colors, bezel materials, including precious metals, and bracelet options, allowing for personalized expressions of style. While perhaps experiencing less dramatic price fluctuations than sportier models, the date just consistently maintains its value over time, making it a reliable investment. The price for the white and rose gold models has recently increased by 14%, with the current retail price now standing at £33,450 for both variants. Despite this increase, these watches continue to perform well on the gray market, with prices slightly over retail. In fact, models from the 2024 collection are still being sold for around £35,000, representing a 5% premium over the current retail price. The exclusivity and high demand for the Day Date models, particularly those with the Oysterflex bracelet, have made them some of the most desirable watches in the Rolex lineup. The versatility and elegance of these watches, combined with their high market demand, make them an excellent investment piece that is likely to appreciate in value over time. For collectors looking for the ultimate luxury Rolex timepiece with an unparalleled combination of exclusivity, prestige, and quality, the Oysterflex Day Date is the #1 choice for early 2025. As 2025 unfolds, the gray market offers an exciting range of Rolex models that present significant value for buyers willing to explore secondary market options. From the distinctive GMT-Master 2 Sprite to the iconic Submariner date and the luxurious Oysterflex Day Date, these timepieces offer a combination of affordability, rarity, and craftsmanship that can make them excellent additions to any collection. By considering these top 5 picks, collectors can find exceptional value in the Rolex market, even amidst recent price increases. Ultimately, the best Rolex buy depends on individual needs and preferences. By carefully considering factors like investment potential, personal style, and availability, you can make an informed decision and acquire a timepiece that will bring years of enjoyment and potentially significant appreciation. Whether seeking a unique piece for daily wear or a prestigious watch for long-term investment, these models provide an opportunity to acquire a piece of Rolex history at a competitive price. What are your thoughts on the best Rolex buys for 2025 we shared in this video? We would appreciate it if you let us know by leaving a comment and giving it a thumbs up. Do not forget to follow our channel for more content. Once again, this is the Luxury World, and we look forward to having you join us in our upcoming videos.